going to Keta, Aborigines Beach Resort. That's where we're going. We're going to swim. We're hoping the poolside is open because most of the time they're not. The last time we went, it cost us about 10 Ghana cedis. Guess where I am? I'm in Tegbi. Tegbi is located in Volta region. It's not far from Keta. Look, I'm in Eli Beach Resort. This place is beautiful. Look, I don't need to see a lot of words. Let's get into the video. We're currently in Aborigine hotel. Amo, okay. Yo, good enough. Yeah. Thank you. Bossy. Okay. Nice one. Yo. Oh, I guess I won't give you a phone. This place is beautiful, right? Look at this. This is stunning. So this is Aborigine Beach Resort located in Keta, Volta region. The food. Wow. Hello, monkeys. There's no water in the pool. Oh, the pool water no dey inside. Oh, this one there, wow. So we're currently in Eli Beach Resort. The beach bungalow you can see in front of me there is 550 Ghana cedis. So I just want to go to the front so that I can show you guys how beautiful the bungalow actually look like. I want to get some pictures, you know. It's a pretty amazing place, you know. Look at the beach. I believe a lot of people have been here a vlogging, but I just thought, you know, since I'm here in Volta region creating content, visiting families, I actually come here and show you guys how beautiful this place is. This is Volta region. This is Keta. No, it's not Keta. This is Tegbi. Tegbi, you spell it T-E-G-B-I. Tegbi. And the place is pretty amazing. We have a very beautiful pool. Unfortunately, I couldn't use the pool today, but I believe you guys saw the video of the pool. It's pretty amazing. Look, the beach is actually on the beach. I mean, the sea is just in front of me right now. Isn't that beautiful? You can sit here, get fresh air. You know, I wish I just stay here overnight without driving 10 minutes down the road to go home. But you know, if you could stay here for a day or two, why wouldn't you? It's pretty amazing, right? 550 Ghana cedis. I'll put the conversion rate in pounds for you to see whether you want to stay here or not. But so far, I'll happily stay here in one of the bungalows. So it's pretty amazing. Some of them are not ready yet but look, when it's ready, you can imagine it's going to be amazing. Yeah, I love here. I love this place so far. Eli Beach Resort, that's where I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a time lapse. I'm going to get a time lapse at the same time get some thumbnail. So stay with me. So while I was filming, I met this young lad, Daniel. They just finished swimming. This is where they live. It's a pretty amazing place. It's very, very safe. You can see this amazing beach here. You know, like unlike my village, the sea destroyed the coast, but look, this is pretty amazing. I've never seen a long stretch of beach like this in my life, but look, you know, this is amazing. It's not like I'm exaggerating, but look, the sunset is there. I'll probably have to do some time lapse. All day might have probably been here, been doing some amazing tour of this amazing location. So yeah, guys, if you ever been here, please do let me know, because this place is bam. Have you seen a pool? Do you want to swim there? Please do let me know in the comment section. Let me just go in there and show you inside. This place is pretty amazing. So what I'll do right now is I'll just pan the camera around a bit so that I can just walk around to show you guys how this place look like. Oh, there's some gentlemen here. Let's see if they can talk to us. Charlie, what's up? I'm doing a video for my channel, Ghana Fun Tube. How are you guys doing today?
Yeah, having some fun.
Yeah, you having fun?
Yeah.
Would you mind to tell my viewers about something unique about Tegbi?
Oh, Tegbi is a very nice place.
Yeah.
Moreover, the views here, they are very clear. We have some pools over here.
Yeah.
The network service here is very good.
Oh, well, yeah. You don't need to tell me. I think the network is pretty amazing.
It's pretty amazing. And moreover, we have the pools over here, the bar. Things here are very cheap.
I know.
Yeah. One thing about here, we have the horses and stuff over here that you can explore. If you want to go for vacation,
yeah.
And stuff, yeah.
Pretty good. Can you tell me something why somebody should visit the Eli Beach Resort?
The reason you can visit Eli Beach Resort is that it's just for fun.
Yeah.
Like, fun for vacation.
Yeah.
If you want to relax your mind.
Yeah.
If you want to have some good fun with the family.
Yeah.
Maybe occasions and stuff. It's really good.
That's good. Will you mind to tell me what's your name?
My name is Amen Jordan.
Yeah. Will you mind to shout out to anybody watching you right now?
Shout out to my group, Rebel Empire.
Yeah.
Coco Empire.
Yeah.
And my colleagues at home.
Yeah.
Lee, Gale Papa.
Yeah.
Maker.
Yeah.
A lot of friends.
Yeah.
And shout out to my family.
Nice one. Do you speak away?
I speak very
Charlie, so thanks for sharing this platform with me. You know, this guy I met him a few seconds ago, and he decided to give me a few words. So thank you so much for watching this channel. This place is pretty amazing. This place is bang. Ghana Friendship, stay tuned.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this is Eli Beach Resort, previously called Eli Beach Resort. This place is located in Keta water region. I just feel like sleeping right now because it's so relaxing. So the average room here is 550 Ghana cedis. I'll put the conversion on the video. So this is their pool at the boutique. The resort also have a beautiful pool down there, which I'll put over the video. It's quite relaxing. I'm relaxing here. And I'm plenty. I think I had too much beer today. I had Golda, I have club beer, and I have a lot of beer. So yeah, so guys, that's it. That's it from me. If you want to come here, this place is pretty amazing. You can see we are relaxing here. We're having a nice time.